So what did your family think? Did they say there's something wrong with this young man? He wants to just do computers?
They knew I was obsessed with
Business is a money game with few rules and lot of risk. See guys, you have to face this reality that we all are born differently. Each person has their own It's fine to celebrate success, but it's most important to heed the lesson from failure. Bill Gates, who is a poster boy of alternative success, wealth and philanthropy. Well, today I'm going to share the top 5 best lessons from Bill Gates. I think there is always be a good bit of advice that is included with every entrepreneur. You need to be committed to what you love and always be passionate about what you do. The successful people in this world make it look so easy because they absolutely love what they're doing.
So what did your family think? Did they say there's something wrong with this young man? He wants to just do computers?
They knew I was obsessed with computers, that I would skip athletics, that I'd go in overnight, that I'd leave the house sometimes when they prefer I wouldn't go work at night on these things. And so it was kind of considered a little strange. And the big moment was when I said, instead of going to part of my senior year, that I wanted to go work for...
Starting business is always like in gambling. You never know that you will get success or not. The only thing you can do is to plan well enough so that you will get success in your business. Remember, the world is full of uncertainty. Life has no rule and you have to sacrifice certain things to get to your destination. Business is a money game with few rules and lot of risk. No matter how much book you read, no matter how much test you take, nothing from university and college can prepare you for your life. If you think your teacher is tough, wait until you get a boss. He doesn't have tenure. In today's era, people got frustrated because they are not as smart, rich, talented as the people they look up to. See guys, you have to face this reality that we all are born differently. Each person has their own unique ability and you have to accept that to become a successful. If you start to appreciate yourself, you will be more confident to do the thing in your own way. As Bill Gates said, don't compare yourself with anyone else. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. It's great to dream success and all that comes with it. Life is a wheel, it's unpredictable. You can be on top today, but at the bottom the next. It's best to stay humble all the time and never forget what got you there in first place. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking that they can't lose.
A lot of people, it wasn't an ideal place to work. We were pretty frantic and demanding.
So that is it from today's video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, so like it and share it with someone you know. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel.